I am in the most gorgeous place ever, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup. And I was gonna sit on the balcony so you guys could see the view, but it's a little too hot, so if I do my makeup tomorrow, I'll do that. But for the time being, let's just get into it. Here is my kind of makeup setup right here. I have already used some eye cream a second ago, and I'll show you guys that in a minute. And then I am about to go in with foundation, and I'm not gonna use that many concealers today as I usually do, but I am going to use at least two. I'm planning on doing a little bit of shopping today and being on a boat for at least half an hour, so I need to make sure that my space is like super hydrated, but also that I wear enough powder to like look like a decent human being. So yeah, it's really important. So I'm going to do that now, and I'm going to apply my foundation with a beauty blender and a brush. And I currently have my beauty blender in this wine glass because it was the most convenient thing. I also have eye cream on my lips as well. So let me stop talking and do my makeup really quick, because it should not take more than 10 minutes to do this. And eyebrows are last. The foundation on the back of my hand. Now it is about 100, I think 105 degrees outside, something like 37 or 39 degrees Celsius, so it's very hot in Italy in general. And also, I'm gonna have to put my hair back up in a clip, but also the air quality here is not that great, at least not here in Milan, Lake Como area. Why didn't anybody tell me that there was toothpaste on the back of my hand? So I'm just gonna stick with using a couple of NARS products back to back. So I'm gonna conceal underneath my eyebrow with this NARS concealer. And this is not a concealer, but I am going to use this today just because it has SPF 30 in it. So that's the first concealer that's going to go under the eyes. The second one is going to be brighter, just because I want this really glowy under eye. But that product I just used was bright as well. So, and then we're gonna powder the face and basically like try to get through this in the next like 10 minutes, even though for you guys it's only gonna be like a 5 or 10 minute video. It's so hot that my camera keeps overheating, so I keep having to like, you know, stop and start and stop and start. So yeah, so I am going to go in with this little mini Tarte in Tan Deep Sand. Okay, so I'm gonna take One Size Beauty from Patrick Star and this little puff right here and powder my whole face.
Yeah.
I'm also gonna get the eyelids with this, but I'm not going to do the upper lip and the under eyes. I'll get the sides of the nose with that too. Okay guys, so this part is actually like really exciting because this is a new product from Laura Mercier, and it is their ultra blurring eye powder, and I have the shade translucent. That's what that looks like. So it looks like the regular translucent, but honestly it's so much better. And I'm only applying a lot because it's so hot outside. You do not need this much. I'm sweating like a pig right now. But I think that just goes to show that my products do work really, really well in the heat, and the way I apply my makeup works really well in hot temperatures. So sweat-proof makeup basically, because this makeup is not going to like come off my face. It's just going to like, you know, like sweat's just going to fall off my face. It's not going to actually move. The makeup's not going to move is basically what I'm saying. But this product from Pat McGrath is what's on my cheeks. I'm going to put on my eyelids. I don't know if you can even really see it, but it is so freaking gorgeous. And yeah, so this is not going to be much longer. For mascara, I'm using the Milk Makeup mascara, and this is it's called Rise. And then I think I'm gonna go ahead and put lip liner on. For my lipstick though, I am gonna be using this Kaja lipstick, and it's called Whipped Dream, and the shade is Mocha Tart, and this is incredible. So I'm going to use this in a second. I'm also going to use a lip liner, but I need to put one more powder on my face, on my sweaty face. So for the powder, I think I'm going to use this Pat McGrath one. I think I have another one in here. Yeah, the other one. So I'm going to use this Pat McGrath basically Sublime Perfection Blurring Under Eye Powder under my eyes and on my upper lip. So this is my favorite lip liner. This is Makeup Forever Limitless Brown. Limitless Brown. This is what Limitless Brown looks like, and this is also what my makeup looks like indoors when it's not boiling sun on me. So it still looks pretty good. Then I'm gonna apply the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Personally, I really love the Patrick Top Brow Gel. I just think it looks so good. But I also like using Got To Be Glued gel in my eyebrows too, but you just have to be very careful because if you use too much, it will look disgusting. I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed and show you guys the outfit.